So now I'm going to show you how to use our wire grip. So here I have the middle L grip. The way it's designed, you have a long lever here, and you open it by pushing it inside the wire grip. And it's spring loaded, so it will close automatically. So you open it like this, and then you have a safety cover here. So you close it and open it like that. The safety cover is here to prevent the wire grip from falling down the cable. So I will show you on a cable. So here we have a covered conductor. So you place your wire grip like this, and you close the safety cover. And then here I have a Nagaki web strap puller. You place the hook here, and you will use the puller to pull the cable. And then to remove it, so you take off the hook, you take the safety cover up, and you remove the wire.